Is triangle ABC congruent to triangle A prime, B prime, C prime? If so, describe a sequence of rigid motions that proves they are congruent. If not, explain how you know. So one way to check that they are congruent is to make sure that they have the same side lengths and angles. So if we can get them to match up, in any way, they would be congruent. So if I were to flip it over, I could get it to be congruent. So are they congruent? Yes, they are congruent. But now I have to describe how I can move in order to get them to match up. So I'm going to make a translation from B to B prime. So I'm moving this point over to B prime. And then I am going to rotate counterclockwise to get C to match up with C prime. And then I will reflect over the line or the segment BC. And then they match up. In number 2, it says, is triangle ABC congruent to A prime, B prime, C prime? If so, describe a sequence of rigid motions that proves they are congruent. If not, explain how you know. So start by tracing ABC. You want A to match up with A, C to match up with C, but as you can see, they are not the same size. So are they congruent? No, they are not congruent. The side lengths are not the same. Also, if we take B and match it up with B, we can see the angle at B is not the same. It's smaller. Angle C and C prime both appear to be right angles, but the other two are not the same as each other.